Hello people of TPS, it is your voiceover, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make purchases on the Econ Fair website. So first, you have to go to the home page, which you can find at the top bar, and we are already on it. So we're going to scroll down, and we can see all of these businesses. I'm going to click on pants, because I need some, and we can see all of their products as we scroll down. When you want to buy something, you need to select how much of that you want. So I'm just going to get one pair of pants, which is $10. We're going to go down and we're going to put in our student ID, and we're going to put in the PIN that we made in the first video. This is very important. If you are in person, delivery to classroom will be your best option. If you are not in person, curbside pickup will be the way to go. You're going to put in your first name, and you are also going to put in what your vehicle is and what it looks like. Then you're just going to submit order. If you're doing curbside pickup, you can only pick it up between 2 and 2:15 p.m. after school on the week of Econ Fair and the Monday right after. That is all for these Econ Fair videos. Stay classy, T-Prep.